Hello, my name is Arwin and I'm going to be solving the Rubik's Cube by doing speedcubing. Speedcubing is when you solve the Rubik's Cube as fast as you can while timing yourself. Okay, now I'm going to be giving the Rubik's Cube to my little brother so he can scramble it as worse as he can. My brother done it good, but not as good, so I'm going to be asking my sister to scramble it for me. Looks like it's scrambled very well, so let's get into it. So I'm going to be turning on the timer and start solving it. There you go, it's solved. It looks very hard to solve the Rubik's Cube, but when you know it's very easy. So in the next video, I'll show you how to do it step by step to solve this Rubik's Cube. And so you can try it at home. Bye!